What if I told you that the problem with most storytelling in advertising is that the story works too well?
How do I communicate better with my mom?
People remember the characters, maybe the joke, the twists, the emotional ending, but not always the brand behind it. That is a problem.
Oh, no.
Because great storytelling in advertising isn't about making a mini movie. It's about giving people something to follow while making the brand impossible to separate from the experience. Psychologists call this narrative transportation.
No way.
When your brain gets pulled into the story and you stop analysing the ad. Tension and emotion work together and memory gets stronger. That's why storytelling is one of the key success factors in Kubri's creative effectiveness playbook. But the brand, of course, can't just wander in at the end holding the product like a prop.
And guess what's inside it?
It needs to be woven into the story, the reason it exists, the thing that makes the whole idea work. Budweiser's first delivery nails this. Strip out the Clydesdales, the kegs, the delivery, that whole world that Budweiser has built, and there's no story left. The brand isn't sitting beside the story, it is the story. So when the emotional payoff hits, it's Budweiser that owns it. Great stories, of course, also need tension, surprise, authenticity and simplicity, but above all, they need the brand at the centre. And Energizer was able to prove that in just 6 seconds. Their rabbit, an arch nemesis, a product benefit, job done. The story was simple, the brand was central, and the point was impossible to miss. That is storytelling that grows brands.